Hello, this is Munir Ahmad. What you're showing here today is that Lattice FPGA based system management or BMC. So BMC is a baseboard management controller that pretty much is the most important component in any server. It does the total system management. So BMC does two things in a very high level. The first one is it does health management. So it means that health management means it does PWM, temperature monitoring, sensor logging, sensor information, fan control. It also looks at all the health. It also looks at any kind of upgrade needed. Anytime if any component of the system is removed, it needs to report that. It also is responsible for any of the firmware that needs to be just a verification purpose is working or not. The second thing BMC does is the remote management. So basically BMC gives the capability to system administrator about as if he's running in front of the system. So what I mean by remote management is the BMC gives the capability to update the operating system or install the operating system, install any application, update application. It also gives the capability if you want to add any system to the components, any peripherals to the components, it gives that capability. It also gives the capability of upgrading the firmware or removing the firmware or checking the firmware, all those things. So BMC is a most essential component of the system from management perspective. So in this particular one, we have a Lattice who does, when it's showing this remote management capabilities, and there are a few things I'm showing here. This is an IP interface or remote interface that Lattice FPGA does. You can see that it's actually doing PWM. You can do the PWM. You can do power on, power off. You can also do the firmware upgrade. You can do status of the system status. You can do license to check any of those things. So it is a very comprehensive list here, but in a true application, in a server application, it is capable, more capable than that. Now, one of the things that is interesting here is happening. Typically, BMC is a proprietary licensing that does some companies, and obviously because of the nature of BMC, and as I mentioned, BMC has basically all the information of the server, including your password or anything. So protecting the BMC firmware, making sure BMC secure is ultimate requirement for this particular situation. So in this case, we are using an Arctic Tern, which is basically open sourcing. So any kind of tooling, we have all the we have all the tools developed in Arctic Tern. It's a zero trust base. Everything is open source. Everything is available in the GitHub that you can download. So in this particular one, we have, if you look at here, we have two open power compatible soft CPUs based on FPGA that's running the BMC. You can do on the Kestrel in this particular one, you have Kestrel soft BMC that is running. Again, it's open source. It's an Arctic Tern based from Raptor Engineering. The hardware is Lattice ECP5 based hardware that's running the FPGA. And the cool thing here is that it's a zero trust technology. So you don't have to have a proprietary understanding, proprietary knowledge, proprietary tool that a lot of these use cases that we see out of the BMC. This is all open source. This is all zero trust. People can see that what they're doing. And the other cool thing here is that it's pick and choose functionality of the BMC you need. So typically in any other BMC, you have all these legacy interfaces that push through the BMC. And because it's normally is how it is designed, and in the Lattice, you choose what kind of functionality you need. And again, it's all available through the GitHub source. Arctic Tern is the term for that they use. You can search for that. They have open tooling on the HDL based. You can do on RTOS based. You can do on the open power PSA based. So this is a clear trust technology that we say that is offering the system management as of today. Thank you.